Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Mishra, BSc 5th Sem. I am pursuing my graduation from Dr. Harishingaur Vishwavidyalaya, Sagar, under the guidance of our Professor Dr. Dipali Jat ma'am. I am presenting my topic here. My topic is cytokines. Cytokines are low molecular weight soluble protein, non-immunoglobulin in nature, secreted by cells of the immune system and perform cellular communications. Cells of the immune system communicate through the exchange of secreted cytokines. Depending on the spatial location of the cytokine responding cell, such communication can be autocrine, paracrine, and endocrine. Paracrine means a particular cytokine may bind to receptor on the membrane of the same cell that secreted it. Second one, paracrine, signaling to neighboring cell. That means a particular cytokines may bind to receptor on a target cell in close proximity to the producer cells. Third one is endocrine, signaling distinctly located target cell through the circulation. Cytokine produce biological action only when they bind to specific high affinity receptors on the surface of the target cells. These receptors then convert an external signal to an intracellular biochemical signal, usually resulting in gene transcription. Cytokine receptors are transmembrane protein where the binding of the cytokine occur in the extracellular region and interaction with signaling protein occur in the cytoplasm. Cytokines regulate the intensity and duration of the immune response by stimulating and inhibiting the activation, proliferation and differentiation of various cells and by regulating the secretion of antibodies or other cytokines. Binding of a given cytokine to responsive target cell generally stimulates increased expression of cytokine receptors and secretion of other cytokines which affect other target cells. In turn, thus the cytokine secreted by even a small number of lymphocytes activated by antigen can influence the activity of numerous cells involved in the immune response. For example, cytokines produced by activated Th cells can influence the activity of B cell, T cytotoxic cells, natural killer cells, macrophages, granulocytes, and hemopoietic stem cells, thereby activating an entire network of interacting cells. There are over 100 different cytokines known. Cytokines have different names depending on their origin. Originally were called lymphokines because they were initially thought to be produced only by lymphocytes. Then come monokines because they were secreted by monocytes and macrophages. Then interleukin because they are produced by some leukocytes and affect other leukocytes. Now the term cytokine is used more widely cover all the cytokine that are known. Cytokine exhibit the attributes of Pliotropic Redundancy, Synergy, Antagonist Cascade Induction. These are shown in the figure, which permit them to regulate cellular activity in a coordinated and interactive way. In a figure, you can see firstly that is pleiotropy. Pleiotropy means a cytokine that has different biological effect on different target cell has a pleiotropic action. As you can see in the figure, that cytokine interleukin 4 having a different effect on different cell. That we can see that in B cell they show activation, proliferation, differentiation occur. In thymocyte proliferation occur. In mast cell proliferation occur. That's called pleiotropy. Redundancy. Two or more cytokines that mediate similar function are said to be redundant. Synergy. Cytokine synergies occur when the combined effect of two cytokines on cellular activity is greater than the additive effect of the individual cytokine. Fourth one is antagonism. Antagonism, the effect of one cytokine inhibit or offset the effect of another cytokines like gamma interferon inhibit the function of interleukin 4 by blocking the class switch of IgE. Last one is cascade induction. Cascade induction occur when the action of one cytokine on a transfer on target cell induces that cell to produce one or more other cytokine, which in turn may induce other target cell to produce other cytokine. That's all about my presentation. Thank you so much.